ating challenge, isip na, light!
Pwede ba natin i-off yung ilaw o bawasan natin ng konti para pag umikot yung camera, hindi madidistort, hindi mapapangit yung, ayan, medyo ganyan lang, correct. O, pose na maganda dyan, pose na maganda. Ready? Audience! Elmo, Janela,
SM City Molino, lights! Camera! Action! Pose, freeze! 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 Everybody freeze! Walang gagalaw. 10, 9, freeze everybody, freeze! Feel the moment. Freeze! 8, 7, 6, freeze everybody, freeze! 5, 4, 3, feel the love, feel the fun, freeze everybody, freeze! Freeze lang, ayan, walang mga ngalay. Freeze! Feel the moment. Feel every single moment. And 2, 1! Alright! Palakpakan naman dyan! Thank you everyone. Ang ganda ng freeze nyo. Mamaya i-upload yan natin. Makikita nyo yung picture. Pero bago ang lahat, we're going to have first, kasi Elmo and Janela, we have our centerpiece here. Ayan. Nilaunch natin yan nung Friday, correct? So gusto sana mag-request namin to have your pictures first here dito, yan, sa ating giant Christmas centerpiece here at SM City Molino. So we will do it first before we have our autograph signing. So can we do it now, sir? Bigyan natin ng way so they can have the center to have their pictures taken together with our Christmas centerpiece. And we ask our staff to assist them. Okay, sir. Okay. So, very quick one lang. Picture lang nila together. Okay, let's give way, please. Alright. So, we have our official photographer. And again, don't forget to grab their albums now. Available na po yan dito sa Event Center and at all record bars. Very quick lang. Okay, official kapag natin yung naka-white na may earring lang. Okay, 1 minute lang. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, ready? Pose na sila. Then after that, they'll go back here on stage for the autograph signing. And we're going